Mooey. How you doing today? Not so good, Uncle Dave. What's the matter, Mooey? I don't know. I'm stressed out and I feel bad. Why do you feel bad, Mooey? I feel bad because yesterday at school something happened and somebody laughed at me because I dropped something. Oh, I'm so sorry. But they really like you, don't they? Yeah, but they laughed at me. And I can't stop thinking about that. You can't stop thinking about that. I understand. Sometimes we think about things we don't want to think about. But you know something, Mooey? You can change your thoughts. You can. Really? How? Well, you get a happy thought in your mind. Think of something that was really nice, like a vacation, or think of something someone said to you that was really nice, and put that in your brain. And then when that bad thought comes in that makes you stressed, you replace it with the good thought. It's like a mirror image. You see the other side of it as soon as you see the first part. So, as soon as you think about that thing yesterday, immediately think about the vacation you went on. Oh, just do a thought replacement. You can do that. Uncle Dave, I'll do it. Can you sing a song about it? Yes, I can sing a song about it, Mooey. It's called Do a Thought Replacement. If your mind is crazy and it's filled with doubt, you gotta change those things you've been thinking about. Do a thought replacement. Do a thought replacement. Just take out the bad thought and put those good thoughts in. If you keep reliving things that you did wrong, you gotta stop it right there before it goes too long. Do a thought replacement. Do a thought replacement. Just take out the bad thought and put that good one in. Yeah, first you find a whole bunch of happy things. You keep them inside your head. When a bad idea tries to sneak on in, just change it for a happy one instead. Now if you got a problem that you can't fix, grab it by the collar, take it out of the mix. Do a thought replacement. Do a thought replacement. Yeah, take out the bad thought and put that good thought in. Now if your mind is crazy and it's filled with doubt, you gotta change those things that you've been thinking about. Do a thought replacement. Do a thought replacement. Yeah, take out the bad thought and put that good thought in. Yeah, now take out the bad thought and put that good thought in. Do a thought replacement. Think about happy things instead of the things that bother you. You can do it. Try it.